These lips are so glittery. Look at the shine, look at the glitter. Is this thing on? Testing 1, 2, 3. Today we're gonna try out these lip dazzle kits from Shein. Cue the music!
It's the other Huda, not the one you knew to. She's here to share reviews, perhaps a laugh or two to.
Hello everyone! I was scrolling through my socials and I suddenly thought of I need to get something glittery. So I went on Amazon and I typed in glitter lips and I found these lip dazzle glitter kits from Shein. I'm so excited to try these. So I got it in 2 colors. I think this is the color Red Carpet and this is the color Center Stage. So today I'm gonna complete my sad doll look with one of these glittery lips. So for my base, I used the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter for the glow, and I wanted it to be a long-lasting, heavy-duty foundation look. I got the Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte, mostly a full Charlotte look. Bronzer from Saie. So I use this contour palette also to contour, and as well for my eyes, highlighter, nose contour, and highlighter on my nose, and eyeshadow and eyebrow. I use this all over my face. And for our blush, I used the NYX Buttermelt blush. And for my eyelashes, so I have 2 eyelashes just in the ends because I didn't want the top to be full. I kind of wanted to create more of this, like, you know, mascara drip kind of look on the bottom. So on the top, for my eyelashes, I used these pre-glue lashes that I got from Yes Style. They're called Life Girls. And I used as well some eyeliner and mascara. So for our mascara, I used one of my tried and true inexpensive mascaras. This one is the one from Essence. It's the I Love Extreme Crazy Volume. This is really good actually. I do love this one. And as for my lips, I'm just hydrating my lips. So I'm getting it ready.
Nice
And plump with the flower nose. For my skin prep, I used the Medicube serum. It's a nice lightweight base. Oh, and I set it all with Until Dawn One Side.
What's up?
As for my eyebrows, I just used the Juvia's Place Eye Sculpt eyebrow eye sculpt. Anyway, I use the Juvia's Place brown gel brow gel and pen. And that's about it. That's my look. Now we're gonna do our lips. Look at this packaging. I think we'll start with maybe Center Stage because I think Red Carpet is more of a red, I think. We'll see. We shall see. Okay, so it comes with a brush, a pencil, lip gloss, and some glitter. Look at that glitter. Let me just wipe away my lip treatment. Now we're gonna get our lip liner. Shein products really stepped it up. It's looking better and better each year, right? This looks like it can compete with the high-end makeup. It's not really showing up on my lips. Maybe you can just use it to overline. It's giving my lips a better. Not bad from Shein. So now I think we're supposed to put our lip dazzle gloss. So I'm gonna be generous. We want our glitter to stick. It's not a sticky gloss. Hopefully it shows up when we get our glitter. Ooh.
That's pretty good.
Look at that glitter. That is so cute. I don't know if it shows up on camera. I ruined the eyeshadow palette. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. It's actually a really good one from Morphe. Morphe has been doing. Morphe's got a comeback. It's got a. Yeah, no, I love this shimmer. It looks so beautiful. I'm gonna be so sad to wipe this off. Oh my god. Sad to see you go. Bye. It's a bit difficult to get off though. Very surprising from Shein. It's really good. It's like, you know, I will link this in the description, but it's very inexpensive. You know, like all of Shein makeup is pretty inexpensive. It's affordable. Guess that's why they're working. So we're gonna get that lip liner. So this, yeah, look, it's more red. Yes, perfect. For our second look, we're just gonna get the lip liner and we're gonna overline our lips. That looks kind of orange on me. It's like an orangey red, but yeah, no, this lip liner is showing up. So now we're gonna put our lip gloss. Okay, now I feel the tacky feeling. It's getting sticky. I guess it's kind of like eyelash glue. It gets tacky as it dries down. So now we're going to our shimmer. Can't tell me that's not beautiful. It's very. Oh my gosh, she's the life of the party. Oh, so beautiful. I feel like the red is a little too bright for me though, but other than that, it's really pretty. Maybe if I put this over some dark lips. That is so pretty. Oh my god.
Sin City wasn't made for you.
I have an idea!
What if we take some of the gloss? Always get bright ideas or terrible ideas. We'll see if it pays off or not. So I got some of the lip gloss glue and I'm gonna put it right over here. Right over here. Over here. Now I'm gonna get some of that glitter. It's okay, we already did a lot of blushing. Just gonna blend it a bit. Oh my god, she's looking sunburnt. Sometimes not all creative decisions are a good idea. Like it worked maybe on the cheeks, but on the nose it's just like it's giving sunburnt. We can mute it down with some powder. It's creating a little texture. Exactly, we should try everything. How would we know what we like and what we don't like without trying, right? I think now that looks a little bit better. Now that's our final look. We look like we've been crying all day. Yeah, the lips is a little too bright. Okay, I think I got an idea for next time. Maybe try this on some darker lips. But other than that, these kits are really good actually. I like it. I love it. that's it for my look. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, please.
Lipstick blush, a brand new shade.